Missing addends. What is plus? Plus means adding. We join two groups to find how many in total. Symbol is plus sign. What is the missing addend? 2 plus blank equals 5. I think 2 chocolates plus dash equals 5 chocolates. Answer is 3 chocolates. 2 plus 3 equals 5. What is the missing addend? 2 plus blank equals 6. I think 2 fish plus dash equals 6 fish. Answer is 4 fish. 2 plus 4 equals 6. What is the missing addend? 1 plus blank equals 7. I think 1 bean plus dash equals 7 beans. Answer is 6 beans. 1 plus 6 equals 7. What is the missing addend? 1 plus blank equals 6. I think 1 balloon plus dash equals 6 balloons. Answer is 5 balloons. 1 plus 5 equals 6.